Go for a leg lock on that leg hip trap. Well, too late now, but yeah, keep good control on his wrist. Get onto your knees.
What?
This was us time earlier. If you push on that, work
Work
your way up. Yeah, work your way up so you get your hips so you don't go too high. Cause I got you with that earlier. That arm cranking it down.
Yeah.
You went a little too high.
Come on, Tico.
When I take the back. You got 8 seconds left.
Come on, Tico. Go, 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 go.
In fact, you got 1 minute. You guys are going into don't let them finish. You're going into overtime.
Need the fucking cup.
There you go. Keep strong in the sitting. Don't let them flatten you down.